Dave's here. Here's something really interesting. I lived in Appleton, Wisconsin. DoDo Bird was found, apparently, when a man started a new garden in his backyard and he found the remains of a dodo bird. Yes, right here in Appleton, Wisconsin. Right where I live. Is that interesting? Apparently dodo birds traveled or lived in the state of Wisconsin. I think that's pretty cool. I'm not supposed to divulge any information on the man's name, his address, anything like that. But I found this rather interesting. I thought I'd let you people know. Hey, y'all take care. God bless.